Okay, elementary teachers, this has been the #1 request when it comes to apps. People want things for spelling tests and to practice spelling, and after a month of hardcore searching, I finally found a wonderful app that we can incorporate in our classes. You go ahead and open the spelling app, hit the plus sign and add a new list, title the list, add it, and then click in that list. So you need to type the word. I typed in pretty. Then you hit the recording button, you record it, and then you will hit the sound button to hear it back. Then hit next, and you'll place in the next spelling word. Later, later. Beautiful, beautiful. So once all the spelling words are typed in, you can practice, and it will actually play the word for you to type in. Beautiful. And the great thing is that if the student types in the word incorrectly, they have to correct their spelling before it allows them to go on to the next word. And not only are they having to, fill in the blanks with the words, but they have to listen to it and move on. So you can also unscramble the word, and it plays the word for you, and then you hit the tiles to spell it. Beautiful. And when they hear the word, if they go ahead and type in the title incorrectly, it marks it red, as you see. So as they type it incorrectly, it keeps it green, moves to red when they start to type in the words incorrectly. So they can also ace the test. So it will say the word to them and they spell it. Beautiful. Pretty. So when they hit the ace it button, it will retest them on the ones that they miss. Now if they hit test, it actually gives them the test where it will say the word and they have to spell it. Later. And it will grade it for them. If they miss it on the tested portion, they do not get to retake that portion of the test. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that your students get the most out of using the A+ Spelling app.